I'm Terry Marlene Beard, and this is my trusty Trixie Beard. She is a famous pup on the back of my book, Our Ray of Hope. I hope you enjoy seeing her. She's going to come in and out of the video, so we're just going to have to go with it. I hope you are healthy and staying well and doing fine. I'd like to welcome you to Hope, South Carolina, where my book takes place. Our Ray of Hope takes place. You will meet Ray, an interior designer, and her trusty chocolate Labrador Retriever pups. While sauntering through the small southern town, you'll meet the Professor Joe and his Great Dane buddy. Please take a few minutes to purchase a takeout lunch from Molly's restaurant. Cross the brick street and nestle on a bench overlooking the lake. This bench will be such a special part of your experience in Hope, South Carolina. Savor every morsel of your comfort food lunch. Macaroni pie, fried chicken, and ripe cantaloupe. Yummy. When you finish your scrumptious meal, stroll down the main street past Finster House, the library buds and blooms, angels to zithers, and sweetness and sweaters. Twinkle lights will coax you inside Biddy's Buns for a mug of signature coffee and a slice of chocolate cake a la mode. Cozy into a chair at a table near the window and kick off your shoes like I've already done. Wiggle your toes and enjoy each heavenly bite and each soothing sip. Hopefully, the Historical Society ladies will drop by your table for a chat or just a little nosy interest in you, so beware. Our Ray of Hope is my first book in the Hope series. I hope you enjoy it. My second book is called In at Hope. It's the second book in the Hope series. It is written and awaiting editing. I just can't wait for y'all to visit Ray, Joe, and many others as they navigate life's new beginnings through twists, turns, tears, and laughter. You will have the opportunity to meet Uncle Quinn from Texas. He's in Hope for a visit or maybe something more. Y'all come to Hope, South Carolina. There is always room at the inn. I hope each of you stay safe and well.